Here we are going to check how to test the DC motor. So a DC motor, it has a armature, field winding, and a series winding. Depend whether it's a compound or the series motor or a field motor. So when you have multimeter, take your multimeter and then you test. You put, because one prop to the other one, the other prop to the other one. So if you don't get the reading, then you leave it. But if you get the reading, that means inside it's connected. So you're going to name it A1 and A2, but it depends on the values that you get, whether it's A1 or A2. We're going to explain that. So that means inside is connected. But if you don't get the reading, that means not connected. Move to the other one, put a prop this one, and prop a prop to the next one until you find the reading. So when you find the reading, just name them. So it depends whether the motor is named or it's not named. If it's not named, then you have to go through this one. So this one, and then you put a prop here and put another prop here, and then you will find the reading. If you find the reading, then you name it. And then you put a prop here and put a prop here, and then if you find the reading, then you name it. So then to connect it, then you're going to use this. That means this one, it's A1. That means representing an armature, and then A2. And then another one, an armature is like this one. This can be A1 or A2, depend on whether you name it, how you name it. And then you go, you get another one, which is F1 and F2. S1 represent this field in S2. So when you connect it like here, because this one represent is this a schematic diagram. Schematic diagram represent the diagram of the motor, but it's not the actual one. It's just to show how to, when you draw it, how it does it look like. So to connect it, and then if they say a series is connected here, that means S1 you're going to meet with S1. Here the same applies here. You have to take S1 and going to put it with A1, and then here this is S2, and then going to put it with the A1. Then you take it to AY, you connect it here, and then here you're going to put A1, A2, and F1. So this is A2, and then going to put with F1, and then F1 to the load, to the supply. This is the supply side, this may be positive side, and this one maybe it be negative side. So you're going to take F2, wait, F2, this is F2. This F2 is going to go to the positive. You're going to put it in a positive, and then the A1 going to go to A1 wire, and then put it to negative. So this is how you will connect the DC motor. So you can connect your supply here, whether it's a petrol. So this is a schematic diagram representing this drawing. So when you draw it, you are going to draw it like this using a schematic diagram, and then the actual motor is this one. So this represented the windings or the resistor of the motor. So for the armature you will get a certain reading, and then for the field winding you get a certain reading, and for the series S1 S2 represent the series. So other motors you don't get the wire outside, you get like studs. Maybe there'll be 6 studs, but don't forget you have to put the earth. Maybe there will be earth here, and then you will get a stud like this. This is a stud, and then maybe it's not named, so you have to compare them using the multimeter. You have to put one lead and one lead until you get the reading on then you don't name it. So if you get the reading between this one and this one, then you can say A1 and A2. And then if you get the reading between this one, F1 and F2, so the reading are different, so you have to know what is an amateur reading and what is a series reading, S1 and S2. So this is how you will get it. So if you don't get any reading, move to the another one, put one prop to the one, maybe it's one, two, let me see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you put a lead there and then you put a lead there and then don't get anything, then move to the next one, put another lead there, and so if you get the reading here, then that means this one is connected to each other. So you can name them whatever you want to name it, and then you will name it, you will arrange it according to using the values.